Nathalia Autograph 2018 Women's Division. Tops. Silver parallel card. Nathalia, number 21, superstar, height 5'5", from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. This always dangerous. Nathalia is one of the most experienced women in WWE, approaching her decennial on the big stage. Nathalia holds the record for most pay-per-view matches for women in WWE, eclipsing the mark set by fellow Canadian Trish Stratus. Nathalia has said on several occasions that she's not just going to stand as one part of the Hart family dynasty, but forge her own identity, and she has done just that, capturing 2 championships and having some of the most memorable matches in WWE history, 14 out of 50.